Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Boost program in the Vrbo partner app. So let's get right into it. The Vrbo partner app is an app program is a program for Vrbo users to make their own listings on Vrbo, which is pretty much a very similar application to Airbnb. It is used for renting out properties and accommodation for while traveling or whatnot. And yeah, in the partner program, you can make your own listings, and the Boost program allows you to boost your listing either during the off season or promote it in general during the season, and etc. etc. You can use a lot of things. It is available to premium hosts, which includes power-ups which you can use. But yeah, without further ado and beating around the bush, let's get right into it. First, you want to log into your partner account, then select Boost from the sidebar. Then you want to, if you have more than one property, select the property you wish to boost. Then choose the dates which you want to boost. You can also select them from the market maker calendar. You can go to the calendar to select the date range you'd like to boost. Then select the number of power-ups you'd like to use, and then it'll display your search position of your accommodation. Then you want to select accept, and when you select accept, your boost summary will be displayed, meaning that your power-up has been used. And then when you confirm it, it will be used and your listing will be boosted. And yeah, that's been about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.